we are back. Dr. Blumenthal back with you here at Bethesda office with Natural Transplants. Today, we're honored we got Thack with us today. Thack, welcome, man.
Thank you.
Thack had a procedure done elsewhere, not here, about 10 years or so ago. Everything you see up top was probably from that transplant, so you wouldn't really have any hair otherwise, most likely. We are here basically just to, you want to just get a little bit more thickness, a little bit more density, a little bit more pop so you can get back on the model runways, right?
Absolutely.
So, I'm going to have you put your head down for me. We're going to focus on this front half. We're probably not going to have enough to go further back. If we do, we will, but we're going to focus on this front half and just really try to improve the density. We're hoping to basically double this density. This is about 30 to 40%, and as we always say, we should get about 30 to 40% density. With his hair type, and we talked about this, it'll be more like 30% because the hair is more fine and thin, but we're going to pack it in as tight as we can. You good?
Yes.
Awesome.
Right.
All right, we're going to do a little bit of drawing, a little bit of shaving. We'll check back in with you in a few.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Thank you, guys.
All right. All right, we are back with Thack, and Thack has decided to shave his head. You do not have to do that, but we do have to shave where we're putting the grafts. For him, it just looked a little bit better than shaving the whole thing. So, sort of the lesser of two evils. So we drew everything out. We basically just tracing his existing hairline, and we're just going to start from the front and work our way back. Like I said, if we have extras, we'll keep going, but it'll probably be somewhere around the frontal third. And then what we've decided in the back is his old scar is really thin, which is nice, but we're going to take most of that out and kind of stay a little bit below it. But we're going to take out probably 90% of the scar. So that way he'll only have one scar at the end of the day. All right, you good to go?
Yep.
We got a couple of Valium on board. We're going to head next door. We'll check in with you later. Sound good? Awesome. All right. We are about 2/3 of the way done. We just finished some lunch. You doing all right?
I'm doing great.
Good.
You guys are doing a great job.
Had a little nap, had a little lunch break. We're back at it.
Yep.
And we'll be done in about an hour.
Sounds
All right,
good.
cool. We are back, Thack. We made it. Congratulations. You did. We had fun today. We listened to some Pink. You saw a Pink concert.
We saw the whole Pink
Took a
concert.
snooze. I didn't snooze, but you did. You took a little nap, had some lunch. How was the day?
The day was terrific.
Good.
Highly recommend that.
Awesome.
Transplants.
We had a blast. We had a blast with you today. I'm just going to have you drop your head a little bit. And then we basically got what we thought. We were able to get the old scar out, which is great. And then we got about the frontal third. You packed it in as tight as we could. And we got to wait a year to get the final results.
Right.
But I'm really happy with the way it looks. And I'll check on you tomorrow and we'll go from there. Sound good? Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.